Are you finding the speed limit chime in your Tesla a bit too frequent? In this video, we'll show you how to customize or turn off that chime. This feature, designed to promote safer driving, can sometimes be intrusive, especially in areas with frequently changing speed limits. We'll cover the current options available as of December 2025, keeping in mind that Tesla's software updates can change these settings. The most straightforward way to silence the chime is to select Display Only mode. This setting will still show you the speed limit on your display, but will disable the audible chime when you exceed it. This provides a visual reminder without the potential distraction of the sound. Keep in mind you cannot fully disable speed limit mode in most regions. Some Tesla software versions offer more granular control over the speed limit chime. Instead of turning it off completely, you might find options to adjust the chime intensity. Available options typically include Gentle, which provides a softer and less intrusive chime for subtle warnings, and Standard, which offers a clear, normal volume chime for effective alerts. For example, Tesla's software may include features like the green traffic light chime, which plays when the light turns green while waiting. This shows how chime settings can be customized. To adjust these settings, ensure your vehicle is parked or moving below 5 miles per hour. Navigate to Controls, then Autopilot, then Speed Limit mode on the touchscreen. From there, select your preferred chime intensity. However, note that some regions restrict these customization options due to safety regulations, ensuring that speed limit alerts remain effective for driver safety. Experiment with these settings to find a balance that works best for you and enhances your driving experience. When using full self-driving or autopilot features, Tesla's speed limit mode operates with stricter safety protocols. The system automatically enforces closer adherence to posted speed limits to ensure safe, autonomous operation. For safety reasons, the audible chime that warns about speed limit violations will often re-enable itself when full self-driving or autopilot is engaged, even if you've previously turned it off. Although you might be able to modify some settings, Tesla's design prioritizes safety above all else in autonomous driving modes. The system is engineered to maintain strict speed control to prevent accidents. For the most current information, always review Tesla's latest software patch notes. While it's tempting to silence the chime completely, consider the safety benefits. Experts like those from the IIHS estimate that active speed limit modes can reduce speeding violations by 20 to 30%. The chime is designed to be a helpful reminder, reducing the need for constant manual speed checks and preventing unintentional speeding. If the speed limit chime persists after making changes, here are some troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First, check that your Tesla's software is up to date. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that can change how features like the speed limit chime behave. Second, try restarting your Tesla. Sometimes a simple restart is needed for software changes to take full effect. Third, consult your Tesla owner's manual. It contains detailed information about settings and troubleshooting steps. Finally, if the chime issue persists, contact Tesla support. They can provide personalized help and check for any specific issues with your vehicle. Looking ahead, Tesla's alert systems are likely to become even more customizable, potentially using AI to predict speed limit changes and reduce unnecessary chimes. As regulations evolve, expect more standardized alert systems, possibly with region-specific defaults. The goal is to balance user preferences with the overarching need for safe driving. This may include V2X communication with infrastructure for real-time infrastructure-based warnings.